In this series, we're going to build both paid AI agent and public AI agent, either for direct monetization or to support sales, engagement, and other business goals. In this first video, we'll start with the most basic step, naming your agent. Before we do that, let's quickly align on what an AI agent is in this context. An AI agent can represent your knowledge, your content, or a specific purpose you define. It's not just AI that answers questions, it's something you design to support a real outcome, whether that's monetization, guidance, or growth. You can create paid AI agents that people pay for directly as a new kind of digital product, and you can also create public AI agents that support other parts of your business, like helping your audience, guiding users, or supporting engagement across your content, website, or even a Shopify store. For now, let's keep it simple. Here, you just give your agent a name. In some places, this name will be public, so choose something clear and descriptive, something that reflects what the agent is there to do. For example, it could be something like David's Fitness AI, Marketing Coach AI, or an AI agent designed to support your audience or customers across your business. Don't overthink this. You can always change the name later, and it won't affect how the agent works. Once you've chosen a name, click Next, and you're ready to move on. In the next video, we'll walk through the next steps and start configuring how people access your agent.